50 ChatGPT statistics and facts you need to know. 1. OpenAI has been developing GPT, generative pre-train, since 2018. 2. GPT-1 and GPT-2 laid the foundations for GPT-3. 3. GPT-1 was trained with Book's corpus dataset, 5 GB, whose primary focus was language understanding. 4. On Valentine's Day 2019, GPT-2 was launched with the slogan "Too dangerous to release." It was trained with Reddit articles with over 3 likes, 40 GB, the training cost was $43,000. 5. Later, GPT-2 was used to generate music in MuseNet and Jukebox. 6. In June 2020, GPT-3 was released, which was trained by a much more comprehensive dataset. 7. Some of the applications that were developed based on GPT-3 are DALL-E, Clip, Whisper and ChatGPT. 8. OpenAI's GPT-4 is the largest language model created to date. ChatGPT-4 was released on March 14, 2023. 9. It has 175 billion parameters and receives more 10 million queries per day. 10. It was trained on a massive corpus of text data, around 570 GB of datasets, including web pages, books, and other sources. 11. GPT-3 has been fine-tuned for a variety of language tasks, such as translation, summarization, and question answering. 12. It can generate human-like text, including poems, stories, and even code. 13. The response time of ChatGPT is typically less than a second, making it well-suited for real-time conversations. 14. ChatGPT has been integrated into a variety of platforms and applications, including websites, messaging apps, virtual assistants, and other AI applications. 15. Some experts have called GPT-3 a major step in developing artificial intelligence. 16. GPT-3 has been praised for its ability to understand the context and produce relevant responses. 17. It has been shown to outperform previous language models and even humans on certain language tasks. 18. GPT-3 has also been criticized for its lack of common sense knowledge and susceptibility to producing biased or misleading responses. 19. OpenAI has made GPT-3 available through an API, allowing developers to create their own AI applications. 20. An area where Chat excels is in the generation of text. 21. The text generated by ChatGPT is often difficult to distinguish from text written by a human, as demonstrated by its performance on the DALL-E 2 test. 22. Chat's performance is also influenced by the amount of training data it has been exposed to. 23. OpenAI has reported that the model's performance improves significantly when it is fine-tuned on specific domains or tasks, demonstrating flexibility and adaptability. 24. One of the biggest challenges is its computational requirements. The model requires significant computational resources to run, making it challenging to deploy in real-world applications. 25. Despite its large size and high accuracy, ChatGPT still makes mistakes and can generate biased or inaccurate responses. 26. ChatGPT cannot access the internet or external links. 27. ChatGPT's knowledge is limited to its training data, which has the cutoff year of 2021. 28. According to research released by BlackBerry, 51% of the decision makers believe a successful cyberattack will be credited to ChatGPT within the year. 29. 71% of those surveyed figured that nation-state actors are already using the technology for malicious purposes. 30. Regarding how exactly chat will be used to help foster cyberattacks, 53% of people said it would help hackers create more believable phishing emails. 31. 49% of respondents pointed to its ability to help hackers improve their coding abilities. 32. The survey also revealed that 49% of people believe ChatGPT will be used to spread misinformation and disinformation. 33. 48% of those surveyed think it could be used to craft entirely new malware strains. 34. 46% of respondents said ChatGPT could help improve existing attacks. 35. The same research also revealed that 95% believe governments are responsible for regulating advanced technologies, such as ChatGPT. 36. ChatGPT is free for users during the research phase while the company gathers feedback. 37. For developers who want to incorporate this tool into other software, the cost is around a penny for 20,000 words of text and approximately 2 cents for images. 38. The GPT-3 model reportedly cost OpenAI $12 million for a single training run. 39. Tom Goldstein, an IML professor at Maryland University, has estimated the daily cost of running ChatGPT to be approximately $100,000 and the monthly cost to be $3 million. 40. OpenAI has recently launched a pilot subscription price of $20. 41. OpenAI was founded in San Francisco in 2015 by Carlos Varela, Elon Musk, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, James Green, Sam Altman, and Wojciech Zaremba. 42. The startup has successfully attracted a series of high-profile investors. 43. After the launch of ChatGPT, OpenAI is valued at $29 billion. 44. Microsoft invested $10 billion recently. It represents the third investment that the company founded by Bill Gates made. 45. OpenAI ranks among the most funded machine learning startup firms in the world, with funding of over $1 billion as of January 2023. 46. In a recent pitch to investors, OpenAI expects $200 million in revenue this year and $1 billion by 2024. 47. Companies in the technology and education sectors are most likely to take advantage of OpenAI's solutions. 48. ChatGPT gained 1 million users in under a week. 49. The chatbot accumulated 57 million monthly active users in its first month of availability. 50. It surpassed 100 million